All right, so gravitational field exerts a force of 126 newtons on a 13 kilogram mass away from point B toward point A. Well, gravity, I think, is pretty simple, right? I mean, if it's away from B and toward A, doesn't A have to be below B, right? And I'm trying to be all complicated about it, but it's away from B and toward A. B is above A, right? We're so used to gravity fields, not electric fields, right? Okay, and this is 12 meters. Okay, so let's see. What is the field strength? What's the direction? What is the change in gravitational potential if you go from B to A? Okay, so the field strength, we can figure that out, right? That's our G, right? So our first step here, G is force divided by mass. So it's 126 newtons divided by 13 kilograms. And that is, let's see, 126 divided by 13 is 9.692 newtons per kilogram toward A, right? Okay, there it is. Okay, in what direction? It is, toward A. Yeah, there we go. All right, because it's going to be, yeah. Okay, so what is the change in gravitational potential if you go from B to A? Okay, so I'm going to go from here to A. I'm going to displace myself like this. So now I'm going to use this guy. Let's see. G is equal to the opposite of the change in gravitational potential over the change in R. Okay, so let's see. Let's figure this out. Okay, so if it's toward A, doesn't that make, let's make this direction negative, let's make this positive, right? Down is negative, right? So negative 9.692 equals the opposite of the change in potential. Okay, that's what we're solving for. Over, and then let's see, don't we go down 12 meters over negative 12 meters, right? Because I'm displacing I'm going from B to A, right? So I'm going down 12 meters, right? So now I'm going to multiply these guys together. That times 12. And I get 116, 116.3. And that's positive because negative times negative is positive. But that equals the opposite of the change in potential, right? So the change in potential is negative 116.3, and that's joules per kilogram. So that is one way to figure out the minus sign, is to strictly adhere to the minus signs that are in here, okay? But the other way is that if we go from B to A, aren't we going down? If we go down, doesn't that make it a negative change in potential? I'm just saying, I don't know. There's lots of ways to do this.